At the end of last year, I started working on a big project. The biggest project I've ever worked on. But over the winter, it gets cold, and because I'm a big baby, I decided to stop working on it. But I think it's finally time to get back to it. So my plan is to make the world's largest BMO. Well, at least as far as I know. And I'm gonna use that oak log to do it. So the first step is we need to make the log's roundness more like squareness. Now that we have our general shape, I need to hollow out the inside. Now that we have the face cut out, I need to make enough space so that the TV will fit. And yeah, that's right. We're putting a TV in this bad boy so that we can actually play video games. Now that we've accomplished the scientific feat of putting a TV in a log, it's time to make BMO's buttons. Now with BMO's buttons finished, I can map out the front and make them fit. Now with the front all done, it's time to do the detail work on the back and the sides. And that's where I stopped midwinter. But unlike me, BMO was exposed to the elements. So he's got some cracks, like here, and here, and here, and here. But just because that boy broke now, doesn't mean that boy broke forever. He just needs some TLC, so that boy, no broke, no mo. With BMO looking more like himself, I'm going to start working on his appendages so that he may frolic once again. Now the heart won't be seen, but it's a crucial piece because BMO's made to have fun. And more importantly, we're gonna jam that bad boy behind the TV to keep it in place. Now let's assemble him.
Paint me like one of your French girls.
Who wants to play video games?
So I says to the guy, that's my spaghetti sandwich. Anyway, so we did it. We made the world's largest BMO. I mean, I guess if you have a bigger BMO, please let me know, and then I'll make an even bigger one. If you liked the video, please leave a like. It helps me out so much. And by the way, BMO, he loves this video, and he thinks that you should watch it. So, you know, give it a try. All right, we're gonna go play some Skyrim. Take it easy. All right, Lydia. That's good enough.